Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am on my way to Marshall's by myself. Greg's at home with the kids. I told Greg like a month or so ago that I need to start getting out of the house by myself once in a while for like a couple hours just to go shopping, go get a coffee, sit in the parking lot, do whatever I want for like 2 hours by myself, like once a week. It has been, like about a month since I said that I wanted to start doing that, and this is the first time that I've gotten to actually do it, so we'll see. I mean, I don't think it's going to be a once a week thing. It would be nice if it could be like a twice a month thing, like every other week would be good. I don't know, a couple of months ago or whatever, I was having a rough time with everything, just like everything. I was getting in some like pretty down, dark moods about it all, and I realized, like, I went out by myself one time and I came back and I just felt so much better. Like, I felt really refreshed and like I could just deal with everything so much better, and I was like, you know what, maybe I just need to start doing that more often. So that's what I'm doing, and I think a lot of you guys were telling me the same thing, that like I need to get out of the house, go out. A lot of you guys said to go do things with friends, but I don't have friends. I'm kind of, friends are not my thing, I guess. I'd much rather just go out and do something alone. Like, if I were to go out and if I had friends and I went out and did something with them, I would not come back feeling better. I would feel worse probably. So I like to get out and do stuff by myself. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going out. I'm gonna go to Marshall's. I have two things that I need to return, two dresses that I bought last time that I was there. And today's the last day to return them, so I had to go today, or else I wasn't going to get my money back probably, or maybe they'd give me a store credit. I'm not really sure how that works, but I wanted to be safe, get my money back, so I thought I would do like a drive with me / shop with me. We'll see if I like what I record in the store. I don't think I want to stand there and like talk to myself, because I feel like I'm just going to feel weird doing that. Am I going the right way? Yeah, I am. Okay. I'm gonna merge onto the highway, which actually consists of more than just driving in your lane at the same speed until your lane ends, which apparently is what a lot of people think that merging is. Anyway, I wanted to talk a little bit, I guess, about what everyone else is talking about on YouTube recently, and that is the big thing that happened with YouTube and COPPA, Child something Privacy Protection, I forget what it stands for, where YouTube got fined like $170, I think, million or something. I've been hearing a lot of wrong information, at least from how I understand it. I've been hearing a lot of vloggers and just YouTubers sharing what I think is wrong information, throwing the word demonetization around a lot, and this does affect me a lot. If you guys don't know, I have another channel, Mommy ETC, which was my main channel, and then it sort of became kids content, and that's where I was going with it over the past couple months. I was just really trying to focus more on the kids content, because that's what was doing well for me, and that's what was allowing me to make money. So this whole thing, hold on. So since I have that channel where I make kids content, this whole thing does affect me. And basically, just to break it down really quickly, there's going to be a new thing starting in January where YouTube is YouTube's going to be disabling personalized ads. I just did like half quotes. I was like about to do it, and I was like, no, let's not do that. Disabling personalized ads on videos that are for kids, and by for kids I think they mean 13 and under, because YouTube is technically not for kids 13 and under. And a lot of YouTubers that I've been hearing, like watching their videos and stuff, when they're talking about this and trying to explain it to their viewers, they're saying like, if you make videos that are for kids, you're going to be demonetized. That's not it at all. It has nothing to do with demonetization. If you read YouTube's blog post about this, I don't think it uses the word demonetization at all. All it says is that personalized ads are going to be disabled. And what that means is that they can't collect data on videos that are for kids. They can't collect data about like what videos they're watching, how long they're watching for, like what they're interested in, browsing history. They can't collect that data to feed them ads for their interests, if that makes sense. So those types of ads are going to be disabled. There's a pretty good chance that it's going to affect a lot of channels, including my own, like revenue-wise, but no one knows exactly how that's going to look, how much of a revenue loss there's going to be. We won't really know until it happens. Everyone can speculate and say what they think is going to happen, but nobody really knows what's going to happen until it happens. And I just kind of wanted to clear that out because I don't know where everyone's getting the word demonetization from. As far as what that means for me, I feel like I might be fired in 4 months. I might be barely making any money at all anymore on YouTube, which sucks. It really sucks a lot. It's really actually putting into perspective, or not into perspective, it's really making Greg and I think a lot more about buying a house in New Jersey, because one of the reasons that we would be able to be somewhat comfortable paying a mortgage on a house in New Jersey was because of that income. And if that goes away, then things are going to get pretty tight for us, and we're starting to think, do we want to stay in New Jersey? Can we stay in New Jersey? And we've been thinking about that a lot, like kind of seriously. We're still in the very early stages of thinking about it, but whoa, you're scaring me. I don't really know how people afford to live in New Jersey. It's so expensive, and especially on like one income, which I don't know how much money I'm going to be making come January. We might be back down to pretty much a one income family, which is going to suck. And we could definitely handle that a lot better if we were in a state that wasn't so expensive. Like, we could buy a really nice house in a different state and pay half of what we would pay here for a crap house. Anyway, that's what's going on with that whole thing. My thoughts on that. My other channel might be dying. It might be about to be dead. I don't really know what's going to happen with that. There's no comments on that channel. I don't think the comments are going to come back. And I'm really glad that I have this channel, so yay for that. But I'm about to go into Marshall's. I'll bring the camera with me. We'll see if I record anything. It looks pretty busy in there, so I have a feeling that I'm not going to want to stay in there and like vlog. That would just be awkward, but we'll see how this goes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed those couple of clips. That was the only vlogging that happened in there. It was so busy. There was no way I was like, going to be able to take out my camera and talk to it. I felt weird even like recording those couple clips for you guys, but I just want to give you a peek of what I was looking at. I wanted to try to see if I could find like any little Halloween decorations, but I want to buy something that the kids are gonna like because I'm not really like into Halloween, but I do kind of want to put out just like a couple things, and I don't really think I have anything for Halloween. I don't think. I can't remember what I have from last year, but I don't think I have much, so I was looking for something that they would kind of get a kick out of, but I didn't really see much there. So I'm gonna have to try somewhere else, like maybe Target will have something fun, or Home Goods. I feel like they'll probably have more than Marshall's did. But I got a couple things. If I get a red light, I'll try to show you, but I need to drive so that I can be home on time, so I didn't have time to talk in the parking lot. But I don't know, I didn't do that good in there. I couldn't really find any tops. I was looking for some clothes for myself, just like a couple tops, because I don't have very much clothing because I never like anything, so I end up never buying anything, and then I have nothing to wear. But I was just looking for some tops that were long in the back so I could wear them with leggings, because I'm really just looking forward to wearing leggings all fall and winter, and just like long tops that cover my butt. But I couldn't find anything like that. Pretty much all the tops were cropped, like short, and like had that tie in the front, which I guess is just like the style right now or something. I don't know. Which I don't really like. I don't think it looks good on me. I don't really like how it looks on me. And then they had just like a ton of sweaters, like a ton of long sweaters, and I think I have a sweater that I could wear this year. I don't need like a ton of sweaters. I stay home a lot, and when I'm at home I just wear like bum clothes. Like I just wear leggings, I just wear like a baggy sweatshirt, which I have a few of at home. I was looking for maybe like a dress. Like I looked in the dresses to see if I could find anything that's nice to wear to church on Sunday, because I don't have anything that's really nice for church. Like today was a little bit chilly out and I couldn't wear shorts, which isn't really nice for church, shorts, but I didn't want to wear my shorts and I didn't have anything else to wear, so I ended up wearing jeans, which I guess is alright. Our church isn't like fancy or whatever, but I don't know. I feel like I need to have, like I have like one church dress and I feel like I need to have more than one, so I was looking to see if I could find anything else, but I didn't, so, which is alright. Do you ever see somebody's tire, like the car in front of you, like their tire like going like this when they're driving? Like, what does that mean? Because it scares me. Like I feel like this guy's tire is about to fall off and come at me, but I need to go the same way that he's going, so. Alright, well, we're at a red light. Never mind, screen. That was the shortest red light ever. Of course, when I need a red light, it's gonna be like a 5-second red light. This is something that I got. It's a spatula, because the spatula that I have at home, the wood handle split into 3 pieces, so I needed a new one. I also got a baking tin, because the one that I had split into 3 pieces. I'm joking. That'd be crazy. The one that I had, the anti-stick coating was just peeling off of it. Like I didn't use anything like harsh on it. I was just washing it and I saw it peeling and I was like, ew. And then I was like picking it off like pieces of coating. That's gross. So I chucked that. This book, what is this called? Eek Halloween. I got that for Chase just because I'm tired of reading the same books all the time, so I needed to get a new one. I got Madison a jacket, which I can't show you right now, and I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not, but she has no jacket right now. Like her big winter coat, she's out. Hold on. This is the jacket that I got her. I don't know, it's kind of lightweight, but it's kind of not, like it's not as lightweight as I would like for a fall coat, but it's not as warm as I would want for a winter coat, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I might not even keep it. Sorry. But as of right now, she has nothing to wear if it gets cold outside, and if I don't find anything else, I want to at least have this so she has something to wear. And then I got just a soap for the bathroom, like a fall soap. Usually I buy the soaps from like Marshalls or Home Goods or something, but I get like the foam ones. But I've been having trouble making foam soap that isn't like hard to pump. Like when the soap runs out, I would refill it with soap and water, but then it gets like, it's either the pump or it's the soap that's making it like hard to pump. So I decided to just try out like regular soap and not foaming soap. Foaming soap is easier with the kids because it's already foamy, but it's hard to like make it, or I don't know. Maybe it's just the pump that's not working well anymore, but I got that. And then I do have another foam soap dispenser that I'm going to use for the kitchen that's like fall-y looking, so I saved that from last year so I could reuse it. But that's all that I got, so not the best shopping trip this time, but I did get a couple things. And I'm sorry I couldn't do more of like a shop with me. It was like really busy in there, and yeah, there's no way I was gonna pull out my camera and like vlog while I was in there. And also it kind of sucked because it was so busy, because every time I wanted to go down an aisle, someone was already in it, and I was having to like go around and like try to get down the aisle, and it was just too busy. That's why I normally like shopping during the week, but I can't go out by myself during the week, so it has to be on the weekend, so I have to deal with it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and coming with me and hanging out with me. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.